And got a little gas in her. Hopefully I don't run out. Got my chainsaw. A fan sent me. Thank you. It's been a year ago or so now. But fixing to drive this thing to Otter Creek. I have no other way getting there but to drive it. Maybe I can ask a friend, but I hate asking people for stuff. Anyways, going to Otter Creek on the 0 turn. I'll do a little footage on the way. We're on the way just past Elsie Church. Got my saw with me. Making my way to Otter Creek. Getting closer to the bridge. For everybody that thinks I live so far away, I live this close to Otter Creek. I can ride my 0 turn to Otter Creek. Probably been riding for maybe 10 minutes. Maybe. About to be to the bridge. It looks far away on camera, but it's not. The water has receded a lot. And of course, when cars are coming, I get off the road all the way over in the grass, being the safest about as I can. Getting closer. Oh no. My phone says I'm on 15% battery. That's not good. I'm going to get as much footage as I can for y'all. I got to mow Mr. Richard's yard first. He has a limb in the backyard. He said don't worry about it, but I brought my chainsaw and my loppers up here. So see what I can do to help out. So that's what I'm going to do. We're about to be at the bridge. Coming up on the bridge. See no gators. Alright, we're fixing to be on the Otter Creek city limits. There's Otter Creek city limits sign. Coming into Otter Creek here. About 20 minutes to get here. If that, dang, my damn thing's squeaking. Alright, I'm gonna get the job done. Mr. Richard lives right over around the corner here. Like I said, here in Otter Creek, and then get all this cleaned up. And go from there. I don't have much battery life. And then I'm gonna mow Mr. Richard's yard in there. Got my chainsaw, my loppers, ready to go. I'll show y'all after I get it done. So I ain't got much battery life. So let me get this cleaned up. Got it all picked up. Got this cut. Got 6% battery. Not good. I am going to throw this right here in the pile and get to mowing. Got it all cleaned up. I gotta cut that branch down right there. Not bad. Finishing this up here. Couple here, there's a couple palm fronds over there. And be done here. Here in Otter Creek still. With the loppers, chainsaw. Got all that cleaned up. Mr. Richards is mowed and the tree. Got it mowed. The best I could. Got to move that trailer and get around it and the fire pit there. But yeah, off to the next one. Going to the next job. Getting stuff done today. On the way home, Finished up in Otter Creek. Stopping here, checking the bridge out, checking the water out. For all y'all people that said, stop driving around, disturbing the water and this and that, get off your backside and help. Well, I did. The water needed to drain and dry up some. Try working in wet, soggy ground. So, I did help out. Still a lot more that need to be helped. Can't get to them all in one day. I'm going to pull up here and see what's going on up here at this part. Underwater. Alrighty, I'm gonna get home. Got about 10-12 minute ride. See y'all at the house. Coming into Elsie. Elsie Church is right up here. Don't take that long to drive the zero turn to Otter Creek and back. Sorry about that squeaking. Coming up to my house. Man, it's been a hot one today. Made it home.